How to watch Snap on laptop. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can watch snaps on laptops. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you want to watch snaps on laptop, by default, you have the Snapchat web version when you go to web.snapchat.com. But the problem is that it doesn't let you view snaps because it says new snap on mobile and it won't let you view the snaps. So what we are actually going to do is we're going to download BlueStacks, which is an Android emulator that will help you emulate Android applications on your computer. So download BlueStacks from bluestacks.com and install it on your laptop. Once you've done that, simply head over to BlueStacks app and you'll find Google Play Store. Click on Google Play Store and search for Snapchat. Then once you search for Snapchat and open it up, you can just click on Play on App Player and then you'll be able to go ahead and open up Snapchat app. In this Snapchat app, you'll have full access to everything like you have on mobile. You'll be able to send and receive snaps and do whatever else it is that you prefer. So this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically view snaps or open snaps on PC, on laptop, or watch snap on laptop. Hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.